Hi guys, thanks for joining again. Today we are listening to find where certain sounds are in words. We have our sound train up on the board. So the sound might be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the word. Our first word is run, and you need to tell me where you hear the sound in run. Did you figure it out? Let's check. The sound is in the middle of the word run. Now you've seen this picture before. Do you remember the name of this animal? This is a yak. Yak. Where do you hear the y sound in the word yak? Check with me. Yak. Ya is at the beginning of the word. Next we have dot. Dot. Where do you hear the sound in dot? Let's check. The sound is in the middle of the word dot. I don't know if we've used this one before. This is a kit. This is a first aid kit or an emergency kit. That means it has like Band-Aids and things inside of it in case somebody gets hurt. So our word is kit, kit. And let's do the t sound. Where do you hear the t sound in kit? All right, let's check. It. The t sound is at the end of this word. This might be a new one for us also. I don't know if we've used this picture yet. This is a tag, like maybe a price tag or something. Tag. Where do you hear the sound in tag? Okay, let's check. Here we go. Tag. The sound was in the middle of that word. And our last one is leash. Leash. Where do you hear the sh sound in leash? Let's check it out. Leash. The sh sound is at the end of leash. I hope you had fun. If you need a little bit of extra practice, you can always watch the videos again. Thank you.